Welcome to Profit Guru. I'm Cassandra and I'm a full-time Amazon seller. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button because you'll find me here every single week doing my favorite thing, and that's teaching you guys how to sell on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to be covering a topic that is pretty basic, but one that is important to learn in order to sell on Amazon's platform. And that is how to add a product that already exists in the catalog into your inventory. If you don't have any products yet to sell, look through the videos on this channel because I have tons of them teaching you different sourcing methods on how to find products. But if you're ready to start listing those products, then let me show you exactly how. This strategy is for when I want to list single products at a time. Now, if I have several different products that I'm ready to list and send in FBA, I don't take this approach. Instead, what I do is I make a new batch and input it all at once in Inventory Lab. It's just a lot easier. So if you haven't used Inventory Lab, then I will definitely link the video above that I have showing you how to use that. But this way of listing products that I'm about to show you is great for two different things. Number one is listing FBM products. So that's the products where you're not sending them to the warehouse, you're keeping them with you, and every time someone orders it from you, you're going to package it and ship it yourself. The second time that this strategy of listing products is really useful is when you are doing retail arbitrage in the stores. So when I find a product in the store using my Seller Central app, I can list the products right then and there while I'm in the store, and they literally start selling while they're in my cart before I even purchase them. So let me use my phone really quick and show you how you would do that right from the store. First, you're going to go to your Amazon Seller app. From your Amazon Seller app, you're going to come to the top one that says Add a Product. Now you have a couple of options here. You can hit that blue little camera button and you can scan the back of the product and scan the code right there, but that doesn't always bring up the product. Instead, what I like to do is just go to the search bar and type it in that way. Once you find the product, you just need to click on it. And now you're going to be able to see if you're able to sell it or not. So selling eligibility, I see that green check mark, I'm good to sell. On that top row where it shows the price, I'm going to click there. And if this was a product that I wanted to start fulfilling myself and just list automatically as FBM, I would stay right here on the Seller Fulfilled tab. So right here, I would put how much I paid for the product. And then this is where it gets kind of confusing for people because that shipping credit, that's not actually money that you get from Amazon. That really has nothing to do with these numbers. So I'm not sure why it's there. So since it's putting in nearly $5 for the shipping credit, what I'm going to do now is counter that by increasing my cost of purchase by $5. So this number right here where it says your profit, that is the best indicator of what your profits will be. Now for shipping to the customer, if your items are under a pound, your shipping should be between $4 to $5. So I always like to put $5 here to be on the safe side. And then my profit per unit would be $2.10. So if I was okay with that, right at the bottom right where it says list, I would just hit that button and now it's active and people can start purchasing it. Now, not all products are good to merchant fulfill. Once those products start exceeding a pound, the shipping goes up a lot. So rather than paying between $4 to $5, as soon as my item's over a pound, I typically pay between $8 to $11 per unit that I have to ship. Also, you will definitely want to check the buy box statistics to see if merchant fulfilled sellers even get the buy box. So I always come right down here, and the buy box statistics right here tell you who's winning the buy box. I have this set for 365. So in the past year, here's who the buy box holders have been. And because there is a check here underneath FBA, every single seller who has won the buy box on this listing in the past year has been an FBA seller, not a merchant fulfilled seller. So this data tells me that this product is not one that I'm going to want to list right now individually and sell merchant fulfilled. Instead, I'll wait until I get enough products for a full batch and put that in Inventory Lab and send it to the warehouse. But I do also have this product that I need to list, so I'm going to check to see if this is one that I can merchant fulfill. And this right here, I bought each of them separately and I'm just going to put them together as a bundle. Now, bundles are amazing because they increase your profits. Rather than paying one fee for the gel and then one fee for the serum, I'm paying one fee and putting them together. So that right there is going to increase my profit margin. If I come down here to the buy box statistics, this is for the past 30 days, and I can see that it's not just going to FBA sellers. So that means if I list this as merchant fulfilled, I still have a chance to win the buy box and get the sale. I always like to filter out here and see who's been the ones to most recently win the buy box. And today alone, these sellers are all merchant fulfilled. So that tells me that this is a great product to merchant fulfill. So what I'm going to do now to list this product is come up here and grab the ASIN. If you have this AMZ online arbitrage multi-tool, which is completely free, the ASIN is right here. If you don't have this, all you need to do is come way down to the bottom where it's product details, and the ASIN for every product is located there as well. So we're going to copy that ASIN and now head to our Seller Central account. From the hamburger, we're just going to go catalog and add products. This product already exists in the catalog, so all I need to do is paste that ASIN right there. Once you've found it, we just need to select the condition as new and click sell this product. So now I'm going to go to all attributes so I can see everything here. And for the seller SKU, I typically leave this blank, but if you want to put something there that helps you to identify the product or where you got the product, you can put that in. You do have to set up shipping templates so that it knows how much to charge for the shipping. And it's very easy to do that, but if you're not sure how, in the description, I will put the video that I made that shows you how to easily set up those shipping templates. So you can have multiple templates here. And I like to offer free shipping a lot because I know myself, I don't like to pay shipping. But if that's cutting into your margins too much, then you can definitely make them pay for shipping, and I still get sales on the listings where I have them pay for shipping. So to make sure that I'm not going to lose money by covering the shipping and offering free shipping, I always come to the revenue calculator, and you can get that by searching right in the search bar. So we will paste the ASIN here. And now down here, we have our profit calculators, this one for Amazon fulfilled, and right here is merchant fulfilled. Now I'm going to check really quick to see what everybody else has it listed at. So we're between $48 to $89. We're selling $71 per month. So that means that these lower offers, those should go out of stock soon because they don't have too much in stock. So let's say we'd be competitive and go right around this price point. We're going to put our sales price as $48.90. Then I come down here for my cost of goods, and this is how much I paid for the product. So that is $22.72. Amazon's going to be taking roughly $7.34 in fees. These are both really light, so I know that the shipping is probably going to run me around $5. So I usually put that right here in miscellaneous cost. But I definitely feel that I can offer free shipping on this product because I'm making back a decent amount of money. So I'm going to change this from my Q4 template down to my free shipping template. Where it says your price, that's the price that you want to list it at. So I'm going to put $48.90 here. If you wanted to offer a sale, that's what all of these are about. So I don't do that. I skip these. So for the list price, I will just put the same number in. Item condition is new. Now right here for max order quantity, you can make it so that somebody can only order so many units from you. So because these are really light, I don't mind if they want to order more than one at a time. That's actually going to save me money on shipping. So I have a quantity of 6 of these to sell. So I will just put 6 as the max order someone can make. Handling time is how long it's going to take you to process the order and get it to UPS. So I'm going to put 1 day here. If you can't fulfill orders in 1 day and it's going to take you 2 days, put 2 days. If it takes you 3 days to turn it around, put 3 days. So whatever you're comfortable with and can comply with. You definitely don't want to put 1 day if it doesn't take you 1 day because that's going to affect your account health. Now what we need to do is flip this over from fulfilled by Amazon to merchant fulfilled. And when you do that, now you're going to have to come up and tell them the quantity that you have. So right here for quantity, we have 6. And that's everything. That's all we have to do. So we have our price, our shipping template, how many we have, our handling days. And now down here, I just make sure everything matches up. I'm listing this in the US marketplace, 6 of them, and there's my list price. So now everything is good, and all I need to do is save and finish. And from this point, it's really quick. It typically takes 15 minutes max to get this live and in your inventory. So within 15 minutes, I can have customers start ordering this from me, and I could sell them all out today, bring them the UPS, and be done with them. So there's a lot of power in merchant fulfilling. You just need to know how to tell when it's good to merchant fulfill, and then make sure that you have your right shipping template set up, and then add the products either on your seller app or just like this in your Seller Central account. Very easy to do and very powerful during especially Q4, when you're not going to be able to be sending in large shipments to the warehouse very soon because they're going to get so overpacked. So find those listings that show that the buy box is shared to merchant fulfilled sellers and start merchant fulfilling your products so that you can increase your sales volume for Q4. I hope this was helpful for you and now you feel comfortable with listing those products and making some sales. As always, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you in the next video.